Hi, good evening everybody. 6:48, 6 seconds, Sunday, February 10th. This is the drawing for yet another Swamp Thing number 1. Over here are the 12 filled spots. Hamza said he'll pay me in about 20 minutes, so I'll vouch for him, no problem. He participates a lot. I'm going to roll 3 dice. The number is 15. I'm going to randomize 15 times. Name at the top of the list will get the book. The book will ship out in tomorrow's mail, Monday, the 11th. So good luck, everyone. Don't know what's going on. Okay, I apologize. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and here comes the final roll. 15, spot 7, Nam Nguyen. Congratulations. Time is 6:49 and 10 seconds.